YouTube Studio is the most powerful tool you have available to you to grow your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you need to check inside your YouTube Studio in order to grow your YouTube channel and get more views. Let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to look at together is the traffic sources. So this is where are your views coming from right now. It's so important to look at this data to better understand where your views are currently coming from so you can double down on what's working for you. So to get to your traffic sources, we're going to head over to Reach, and then we're going to head down the left hand side to the traffic sources, and we want to click See More. This is going to open up the Advanced tab inside of Studio, and this is where you can really get some valuable information to help you grow your channel faster. So let's look at the different traffic sources for our channel. We've got YouTube search, which is making up 66% of our views, and that's the main focus that we have for our channel, is answering those questions inside of YouTube search, and it's the best way for you to grow your channel when you're first starting out. So you can see a majority of our traffic is from YouTube search. Our next one is external, and that's mainly Google searches, where we're ranking for those questions inside of Google search, and they're showing our video as the best solution for that. That's in at 24%. And then direct, which is direct linking, direct messages, people sending our videos to each other, that's in at 3%. Then we've got other YouTube features at 2%, and then browse at 1%. Browse and suggested videos are really low on our channel, and that's something that we're currently working on to build up and get more views on the YouTube homepage and within suggested. Now, something to consider is if you're focusing on YouTube search, how do you balance out your videos so that you're not just focused on YouTube search, you're also getting those views on the homepage and suggested. Homepage and suggested is a great place to get views and grow your channel faster. One of the important things that you need to look at here is your click-through rate for your different traffic sources. Now, YouTube has a different algorithm for every single traffic source, so you need to understand what click-through rates you're currently getting, because that's the first and easiest place you should look to in order to get more views. If you can improve your click-through rate by having better YouTube thumbnails and writing better titles that create curiosity and get people clicking on your video, that's going to help you get more views, and that's going to snowball so that YouTube starts pushing your videos out more. Our click-through rate for YouTube search is 15%, and that's why we get so many views inside of YouTube search, because our click-through rate is really good. If you look at our browse and suggested, our click-through rates are much lower because YouTube's showing our video to a much broader audience, not what the viewer is currently searching for when our videos are inside of search for a specific query. So that's why our click-through rates are much lower. So we're currently creating more videos that appeal to a broader audience to try and increase that click-through rate on the homepage. The second thing I want you to look at inside of YouTube Studio is your audience. And this is so that we can understand our audience better, so we can create better videos that they enjoy more, which is going to increase our watch time and engagement on our videos. So to look at these numbers, head over to the Audience tab. I want to look at the videos that are growing your audience. I want to look at when your viewers are on YouTube, and I want you to look at where your viewers are from. What country are they situated in? By understanding what country your audience is in, you can tailor make your videos so that they're more specific for your viewers that are growing your channel. We always want to double down on our winners because that's going to help us grow our channel faster. So when we're looking at when our viewers are on YouTube, we're going to use this metric in order to decide what time we're going to publish our videos. I want you to make sure that you publish your videos at the time when most of your audience is online. This is going to help you get the best views for the first hour and first 24 hours, which is going to determine the performance of your video over time. Our audience is way more active between 4, 5 and 6 p.m. in the afternoon, evening. And we're in South Africa, so that's GMT +2. So we're going to publish our videos between 4 and 5 p.m. and mainly on a Sunday, Monday, or on a Saturday. That's when our viewers are most active. Now, once we've decided on the best time to publish our videos, we then need to look back at our video performance in order to see which of our videos are performing best. And this is where I want you to look at the first 24-hour performance of every video. In order to see this stat, we're going to go back to Overview, head into our views and see more, and then head up to the top right hand side, click on compare to, and then we're going to choose first 24-hour video performance. Now, this is some really powerful data that you can use in order to decide which videos are growing your channel fastest and what kind of content you're going to double down on in order to get more views on your videos in that first 24 hours, so that YouTube is more likely to pick up your video and show it to a new audience to help you grow your subscribers and get more views. So let's look at our top performing videos. If we look at our YouTube short, it has outperformed all other videos drastically. So that one took off really nicely. Now YouTube is showing you all of the most powerful metrics here. So they're showing us how many views we got, how many impressions, and the click-through rate. And then also they're showing you the average view duration and the average percentage views. So these are the most important metrics you need to be measuring on your videos in order to understand how you can grow your YouTube channel faster. Then once we've looked at our top performing videos, we're going to look at our bottom performing videos so we know which videos our audience isn't enjoying and which videos aren't doing very well, so we can stop making that content, stop wasting time on that kind of content, and actually focus on the videos that are growing our channel. So let's have a look at these. The views are really low, the impressions are even lower, the click-through rate is not great. We've got a 25% here and a 7%, but that's on really, really small impressions. So 8 impressions, you can't really measure a click-through rate on that. And then we're looking at the average percentage views. Now, these low performing ones are actually 4 of the 5 of them are YouTube shorts that we were testing out, and our YouTube shorts aren't getting much traction. One has done really well out of the 7 or 8 that we published. So it's always interesting to have a look at that and then see how much time did it actually take you to create those videos and how much did you get back. Because when you're first starting out, it's so important to focus all of your energy and effort on videos that are going to grow your channel and then get you to a place where you have influence over your audience, and then you can get a bit more creative and create the kind of videos that you enjoy more. Now that we've looked at all the data inside of YouTube Studio, how do we know what kind of videos we should create next? And this is where the new tool that YouTube Studio has just launched, the research tab, helps you come up with video ideas that are in your niche that your audience wants to actually watch. So that's a new tab here under channel analytics. We're going to head over to the research tab, and then we're going to go to your viewers searches. So YouTube takes all of the searches that your viewers are currently searching and then gives you ideas of what kind of content you can create that your viewers are actually interested in. So let's have a look at some of ours. Photo editing, how to create a YouTube channel, how to upload videos on YouTube, how to delete YouTube channel. Now the really cool thing about this tool is YouTube's going to let you know which of these topics have a current content gap. So there's a question that lots of people are asking, that there aren't a lot of videos created for this specific topic. So this is going to give you opportunity to grow your channel if you can fill these content gaps by creating videos that your audience enjoys around that specific topic. I want to know from you guys, which of these video ideas do you guys actually want me to create a video on? Let me know in the comment section down below and I'll create a video just for you. If you have any questions or queries about YouTube Studio, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.